Hello, everyone. This is your loving host and best-selling author, radio and TV personality, Dr. Afshan Hajmi, and I just came to another airport for layover, and it is 3 hours of layover, and me being disabled, it is very difficult for me. And there was again, there was a bump, from my leg to up. When I get very tired, it happens, and the right side, becomes very, I become very confused. So now I am in that situation. I just had my food, and I wanted to see if Orlando has some goodies, of Disneyland and all. One day I will come to Disneyland. I wanted to come to Disneyland with my husband, but I couldn't get to that. And last time when I came, it was in Miami. So there are a lot of memories there, and I'm feeling very sad. I'm remembering Mustafa because he would take care of all these things to buy food and all for me, and I didn't have to lift a finger. So and he used to take care of me. And Mustafa left me in February 2025, and I am all alone, and struggling with these kind of things. And I see here that there is no just see. No one happy is a welcome to go on. So just see here. Just see there is no. I had that wheelchair, but he took away the wheelchair. I couldn't sit on the wheelchair. I had to go and buy the food, and because I'm trying to get my circulation okay, so that when I go to flight in the aeroplane, it happens, and there is no disabled thing kind of thing. People were sitting on wheelchair. So I would request President Trump and AG Bondi to please look into the matter of the various airlines, that why they don't have something for people like us, like who are disabled, but not that disabled that they can only go on wheelchair. I am trying. I do lot of exercise, strengthening exercise and all, and I cannot take any beatings and caging and illegal droning, and of course I want my contract. Having said that, folks, cheers and bye bye.